Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Temu promo code. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in your phone or in any browser that you have, it's whether you're using your laptop or your phones, just go to any browser and search up couponfollow.com. And then in the search bar just search for Temu and it will appear right there. So it will redirect you to a new page where you will see Temu coupon codes. So here you'll have your saving tips and you'll be updated with the latest promo codes whenever and always up to date. So here you can see the details. So if you go here, you'll see the details and you'll be able to copy this and you'll be able to redeem it at Temu by pressing this button right here. As you can see, it'll redirect you to the Temu directly. So you can get a coupon instantly by entering your email and getting alerts here too. So it depends on your needs. There's going to be terms and conditions, of course, in the Temu promo code. So just have to look out for those. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.